Spot an unfamiliar charge on your Bank of America account and wondering how to fight it? Let's jump right into how to dispute it using the Bank of America app. First, open the Bank of America app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials, whether that's your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Once you're logged in, you'll typically land on your account summary page. Tap on the account that contains the transaction you want to dispute. In most cases, this will be your checking account or your credit card account. This will bring you to your account activity. Scroll through the list of transactions until you find the one you don't recognize or believe is incorrect. Tap on that specific transaction to view its details. On the transaction details screen, look for an option to dispute the transaction. It might be labeled as Report a Problem, Dispute Transaction, or something similar. Tap on that option. You'll now be presented with a dispute form. Carefully select the reason for your dispute. Common reasons include unauthorized transaction, incorrect amount, or merchandise, service not received. Next, provide as much detail as possible in the description box. Explain why you are disputing the charge. Be clear, concise, and include dates, amounts, and any other relevant information. For example, I did not make this purchase, or I was charged the wrong amount. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. Then, tap on the Submit button to send your dispute to Bank of America. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your dispute has been submitted. Bank of America will then investigate the transaction, and they may contact you for further information. Keep an eye on your email and app notifications for updates. That's it. You've successfully disputed a transaction using the Bank of America app.